My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much, and welcome back. Either way, if you're currently not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today, we are going to be opening our base box of BoxyCharm. Okay, now, for those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, there will be some information listed below with regards to what BoxyCharm is all about. But today we're going to talk about just the base box. Now this box is $25 per month and it is full of full-size products. Now we have 5 with a minimum box value of $125. So we're going to jump in and see exactly what items make up the base box with the value of at least $125. So we're gonna open it up and see what's on the inside. So when we open up, first of all, it does have all of the BoxyCharm information right there. Normally there is a description card. However, I do not see one, which means we're going to end up going online to pull that information. So I'm going to go with what I have in front of me. Anything extra, I will be checking online, and I will put that information below. So the first item that we have when we open up the box is the Elements Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads. Okay. Now, according to this, how about the fact that there is no information on this at all? These are the skin soothing pads, and there are 60 of these inside. Okay, and that is item number 1. Item number 2, we have by Tarte, and this is the High Performance Naturals. This is a very beautiful box. Very beautiful. Okay, and this is the Micellar Magic Makeup Remover and Cleanser. And the information says, use this mess-free, no-rinse micellar cleansing water anytime, anywhere. Saturate a cotton pad and apply to skin on the go. After a gym sesh, or to remove that full face of makeup you worked so hard on. Formulated with Babasu, this baby cleanses without stripping your skin or making a mess of your sink. All right. And this is, of course, cruelty-free and vegan. This is what the inside of the packaging looks like. And this is a, of course, full-size product at 6.4 fluid ounces. Now, it does have the pop top, and all you have to do is place your cotton ball here and press down, and your cotton round, square cotton ball, whatever you choose to use, will be full of the product, and then you can go ahead and apply. All right, now the next item that we have is by Studio Makeup, and this is the easy to wear eyeshadow palette. It does have a full-size mirror, and in addition to the full-size mirror, there are 9 shades. Let's take a look. How about that? These are some pretty nice looking shades. There are some shimmers, some mattes, and these actually have names. So we're not going to swatch it. Why? Because we're going to do a try on. And moving right along, the next item that we have is the Pretty Vulgar. This is the eyeshadow primer. Okay, so we're just going to put just a little bit right here. Okay, it is not clear. So, but we'll see. But when you rub it in, it does disappear. So that's a good thing. And the next and last item that we have in the box is by Becca Cosmetics, and this is the Ultimate Lip Definer. Here's our outer packaging. And the shade that I have is Blissful. Here it is. Now we are going to use this one too, so we'll just go ahead and get a head start on that. Okay, now what I will be doing on today is incorporating the items from our BoxyCharm Premium. Okay, and right now I'm going to add the Milk Makeup. This one is the Glow on the Go. This one right here. So this one is a cheek and lip stain. We're just going to use a little bit of it right now so we can see how this lippy comes together. So how do you like that one? Okay. All right, now these are the contents of our BoxyCharm Base Box right here, and the manufacturer suggested full box total will also appear right here. Okay, now I do want to say thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. But before you go, let me remind you about our giveaway that's currently going on this channel. Okay, and I will link the video above so that you can see exactly what is offered in this giveaway. Let me just tell you, you do get to choose the items that you would like to win. Okay, so check that video out, see what you think. Now the rules to this: you must be subscribed to Seasoned Beauties, you must follow Seasoned Beauties on Instagram, and you must correctly answer one question. That question is, what is my new favorite concealer brush? That's it. Okay, now once again, I thank you for spending time with me on today. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure you become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. Go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like, share this video with your friends. Okay, now remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.